Hi and welcome to another video of Events Check-in. In today's video, we're going to focus on check-in data right here. So once your event is over, you're going to have a list of your attendees as displayed down here. If you click on the drop-down arrow next to their names, you're going to be able to view a little more information on each of them. For example, their NYU ID, their email, and their affiliation. If you want a complete list of all the attendees and you want to use it for some other purpose, then you can hit download raw CSV right here. This takes you to an Excel sheet like this, and you can see even more details on your attendees. For example, affiliation, their department, division, etc. Next to it, we have something called download for OrgSync. OrgSync is Engage, and this is used when you want to transfer the same attendee data inside Engage. We also have a small feature where you can see the number of people who have checked into the event and number who have checked out. This is especially useful when you have large events and say you have 100 people coming in. You can quickly take a glance at this and then say 80 people have already checked in. So you're that much closer to starting your event on time. Next to that, we have a button called Add Check-ins. Add Check-ins is used when you have a non-NYU member, say a guest who walks in, or even if an NYU student who has forgotten to bring his or her ID. The way it works is that you click on this tab, and then over here you can either enter the number of the student who's forgotten his ID, or even the guest name. So let's say my guest name is Nicole. So just type the guest name and you hit Add Check-in. Remember to switch over to the Guest ID tab right here. And then if we scroll down, we have Nicole, our guest who has been checked in. Great. Now, the next icon that I'm going to bring your attention to is the RFID scan. RFID scan is used when you are just using the tapper with your laptop and not using the iPad or the iPhone. So in this case, you take your tapper. I'm going to switch over to a different event which I just created. It's easier to explain there. So I'm just going to delete my name. Okay. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just attaching my tapper to my laptop. And then you have the RFID scan button, which I click on. And then I take my ID card, and when I tap it, there you go. It says that your student has just been checked in. Thank you.